What is going on, guys? The first FIFA 21 experiment. We're going to try to rebuild Inter Miami. We're going to put them in the Prem and the Champions League. And we are going to try to make them win the Champions League and everything else in between with 500 million. We're going to try to rebuild them. This is a series I want to do more than one video with. I'm not going to make it every time I say it's a series, I never do another one. It's not a series, I want to do more than one of these. Maybe Barcelona, rebuilding Barcelona. One thing I really want to do is one time just rebuild a club. Your guys' suggestions, live. You guys, tell me who to sign, and I sign them. I think that would be pretty fun, to do. So, let's get right into the signings. We have 527 million to spend. A lot of money. I'm not looking to buy a striker and or center mid because we have Higuain and Matuidi. But of course, we're gonna buy many players. And the first player on my mind is gonna be no other than Joshua Kimmich. He's a really good player. He can play either right back or CDM. He's gonna cost a lot of money. We're gonna delegate all of them. That's a lot of money. I'm gonna try to dial it down with how much the players cost. Don't spend a lot of money on these signings. Next is kind of a bit of a meme player. It's gonna be Keppa. Yes, I know he's not the best keeper in real life, but I don't wanna I don't. I'm just gonna pay his release clause. I don't want a player which is too good, but not really bad. So I think he's actually pretty good. At least in FIFA, he is pretty good. The next player I want to go for is Varane. I always spell his name wrong. Yeah, here. He's another player. It's gonna cost a lot. I don't want to pay that much money for him. Yeah, I can't negotiate. I can't just delegate with it. So I'm gonna say no to that signing. Sadly, next player I want to sign is Robertson. Andrew Robertson. We need a left back. He will be perfect. Again, it's gonna cost a lot of money. It's kind of hurtful. 50 million is a lot. 500 million is a lot, but it's not infinitely much money. Next player, Dembele. Which one? Son Dembele. 83 rated. Has a bit of potential. So I'm gonna try to sign him. I'm gonna try to get these players in because these are players I really want to buy. We're gonna sim through this because I just eat it this way. So has anybody come back yet? Yes, few. Robertson accepts 94, so could have maybe gotten for a little bit less, but I think what we got him for is, I think it's good. Oh no, that's not what I tried to do. But I'm gonna send him a few days more. Don't want to spend a lot of days just getting players. But is this a series you guys want me to do? Keppa agrees. Sign him. Dembele. So hopefully we can get those players in. I have a few more players in mind that I want to buy. We won versus that team. I don't know what team that is. Robertson accepts. That is perfect. Except Robertson is signed. Yeah, we have a lot of money to spend. I really don't know what we need right here. Maybe another center back. I mean, the goal is not to win the league. I mean, the goal is to win the league, but just to do good. How good can we do? Not sure Fernandez. No, we don't know how much he costs. Another one, Son. Young Son. He's pretty good. I'm not sure if we have enough money to buy him, but if we do, he's a great signing. Yeah, I like to do this kind of with more teams and see what I can do. Like, if you want me to make this a series, just tell me so. I would be more than happy to do it. No offers that came back. Another player I might buy is Mbappe. If we have enough money, not sure. I don't think we're gonna have enough money, but you know, Higuain is an interesting one. He's gonna cost how much do I want? 26 million. This is, let's say, I'm just doing the math. Well, you know what? Nah, we're not. I'm not gonna sell him because I was wondering if we were gonna have enough money to buy someone else, but we're not. Hopefully Son comes back to us. He hasn't accepted. We still need to do his wage. Still nothing back. We're gonna have like 40 mil for the rest of it. I really don't know who to buy here. Let's just put the players we have right now, counting if we get Son. Keppa is gonna go in for Robles. Kimmich is gonna go on the right back spot. Robertson is gonna go left back spot. Dembele, right wing. So right now, oh no, left wing. Still the same. Let's say we got Son. I'm thinking maybe a center mid. Maybe, you know, I think center back is the what we need right now. Yeah, I'm thinking of Laporte. Oh no, that's too much. Lewis Dunk maybe. He's not the best player in the world. But I think we're gonna pay the release clause. Oh no, we're not gonna have enough money, are we? Hopefully we can get these two players in. Lewis Dunk, I know he's not that good. But he will be better than our. He will help a bit. Did we not sign a center back? I thought we did. Oh, I guess not. And with the money we have, Maya West and another center back. Put your predictions in the comments. Where do you think we'll place? I'm gonna do my prediction right now, and I'm gonna guess 7th. I'm gonna guess 7th. 78 rated again, not the best, but I think it's enough for our team. I'm thinking 7th and like semi-finals in the Europa League. I'm thinking that. I'm not gonna just have. I don't have the biggest faith in this team. I think with the money we had, I think this is actually a pretty good team we have built. Again, 500 million seems like a lot, but actually it's not that much to sign like world-class players. It's not the most. Okay, Son agrees finally. Oh, come on. So that's the contract. Because this team, it's not the best. I think we could have done a little bit more, but I think with what we had, I think I did a pretty good job. Still, Son's just taking a lot of time. How much money we're gonna have after we buy Son, if he actually agrees? God, he's taking so much. Just finally. Accept it. 87 rated. He's amazing. Let's go. 17 mil. It's not the biggest. Kind of worried. We're gonna put Son in. I think now, we need maybe one final center back. I really don't know who to go for here. This is just a backup. Garcia. We signed him in the Bournemouth career mode. He has some potential. So that is, he's up for like 4 mil. Let's do that. He's actually, I think, yeah, he's 72 rated, but he does have some potential, and he will help with that, depth. And you never know, he might grow by like a few overalls. Just like right now, we don't have enough money to buy or really big players, so I'm just like filtering out the depth just to we need depth if we want to win. To be honest, I don't have the biggest faith in this team. I don't think we're gonna get much with this team, and why is Garcia not responding? I don't know, guys. What would you have done if you were in my place? Of course, I would like to do this more often. God, he's not responding, is he? I like to do this like more than one episode. Garcia's just not responding. Yes, finally. I'm gonna accept that. Delegate. Let's do 20,000. We need to change this. We have 0 pounds. Yeah, we don't have money just to buy anyone who would actually help the team. Let's do that. I think Eric Garcia is going to be the last player. And then we're just going to sim. Just for the fact that is not what I want to do. Just for the fact, just don't have enough money. I don't want this to be a like really long episode. There's literally no point of buying someone who's like not even gonna. No, he declined. So I guess that's it. I don't want to. I'm not gonna buy anyone else here. I think this is gonna do. This is the team we are rocking with. What do you guys think? I think I could have done a bit better. Maybe a center mid. But that is what we're rocking with. Come on, boys. Here we are, end of the season. I don't remember what I predicted. I think 7th place in semifinals of Europa League. Where have we finished? 6th. That's not the worst, to be honest. That is actually pretty well. Finished 6th. Liverpool won with 92 points. Good to see. It's more, I think, more even now. Teams getting relegated: Leeds, Sheffield, and Brighton. To be honest, it's better than I predicted, but I'm still a bit disappointed. FA Cup, have we won that? Nope. We lost to Watford 2-0. That's pretty disappointing. Carabao Cup, nope. Where did we lose? Huddersfield. That is disastrous. Champions League, we haven't won that easily. Inter Miami finished 3rd, so we're in the Europa League. We haven't won that. We lost in away goals in the round of 16. To be honest, I think we did well. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? I just want to see what our youth academy looks like. I just want to see this guy from Romania. I should have checked that at the beginning. I should have, but this is how the team looks. Really good form. Son 92, Robertson 92, Kimmich 90. It's pretty good to see. Our top scorer was Higuain with 21 goals. Never thought that would happen. Son with 18, Pizarro with 11, Matuidi with 9, Kimmich with 5. Any other player? Dembele only scored 1 goal. That is disappointing. I shouldn't have signed him. He didn't know nothing. And who's the top assist getter? God, I hate when this does it. Pizarro with 15. Kimmich for yeah, that is gonna do, guys. Hope you enjoyed.